been choking on water lately, but anyway, I have just left Pilates, home refreshed, and it's time to get into the work. First of all, happy new year. If you are new here, welcome. Now's a great time to subscribe. If you guys have not already checked out my crochet boho knot list, where have you been? Okay. I'll definitely make sure to post a direct link to that video down below this one. And yeah, today's the day to actually remove these. I have had these in for exactly a week and 3 days. I don't know if I just made that up. I need to double check, but I know it's been a week because I installed these Saturday. Today is, hold up, let me do it. So yes, it's been exactly a week and 3 days. So it's time for this style to move right along, okay? So I'm just literally taking this out of the bun, nothing too crazy. So far so good though. I did want to give you guys a hair update because I originally filmed a boho knotless update from when I actually got them installed back in September. So I ended up doing like an update and I never posted it because I felt like it was just so negative. I probably needed to try the style again. So now here we are with the crochet version, and you guys, if I compare the individuals to the crochet, I'm gonna pick the crochet each and every time. Number one, just because of the amount of time that it takes to install, the amount of time it's gonna take me to remove it, and also just the fact that my natural hair is not even in this. I'm not having to worry about additional frizziness or just even having to think about that, the extra tension and just all of the things that can come with really tight braids. And so yeah, I mean, so far so good. Obviously the hair, the texture, all of that is going to play a major role. So if your stylist actually, you know, provided the hair for you, that may make a difference versus you actually bringing the hair for yourself if you are going to do the individual version versus the crochet. YG wigs, y'all, the hair quality, the texture, all of that has been in its integral space. I keep looking out the window because I'm seeing somebody out here with a pup. But yes, nonetheless, I have thoroughly enjoyed this style. I cannot complain about it at all. The hair is super soft, silky, and doing what I need to do. All that I have literally done this entire week, like I have just had this so long, right? But yes, all that I have done this entire week is literally put a little bit of water in it. I have a spray bottle. Well, it was here. I moved it. But yes, I have water in a spray bottle. I did not have to do all the stuff with the deep conditioning, the mousse, and just all of that. Really nicely textured hair. Does not require all of those additional like materials unless you are really just trying to get the curls to look a certain way. But I promise y'all, the hair is like more of that natural boho messy look anyway. So a little water does just what I need to do. The perfect vacation hair. So yeah, I mean, that's a quick update. I don't really have any complaints. We're gonna obviously take a look and see what my natural hair is looking like. So let me just peel this off. And so literally just have it up in a ponytail. I told y'all, whenever I wear my crochet, it doesn't even matter if it's crochet, any type of braided style that I'm wearing, 9 times out of 10 it's gonna be up in a ponytail. So whether it's like a super high ponytail sitting here, one a little bit pushed back or pushed back even further, it's gonna be a ponytail style no matter what. I style up my edges. When I go to Pilates, I really don't do much. I usually just put like a little headband. I got this at Target years and years ago. So yeah, it's like one of those like scrunchy continuous bands. If y'all want me to link one, I'm sure I can find them on Amazon. I'll do that in my Amazon store. But so far so good. So let me just, y'all remember these little pieces? Maybe you don't remember, but I did add in a couple of little strands here. So you'll see the hair actually will go into like this weird state to where it'll actually straighten out. Put some water on it, it's gonna bounce right back. That literally just came from the way that I had it wrapped around the bun. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just remove the actual ponytail itself. And this has not been heavy or like overweight down or nothing like that. I'm actually intending on potentially reusing this actual hair just because, I mean, it just looks so good. Look at that. There's literally no frizziness in this braid at all. So I've seen people actually like physically take out their braid, keep these individual strands, because you got to think you are paying for the bundles. So whereas if you do tracked hair, you may be able to go ahead, not may, but if you use bundles, typically if you get a sew-in, a quick weave, a lot of times you can reuse that, take it off the track, take off the, you know, sewing thread and reuse it, wash it up. I've seen people do that with the boho knotless and literally just remove these little pieces, wash them up, put them aside for the next install. Y'all, we not doing all that, okay? I'm telling you, just get these and call it a day, all right? So I'm just gonna find my first one, and you'll see I have like this little strand popping out. This is from like that added piece of hair that I put in here. I'm trying to find it. So there's a knot, and I did actually use nail glue for that. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and just cut that out because obviously I don't need it. So just be careful. I'm not cutting down. I just usually like to run it against it, and this piece is not needed, so don't worry about trying to save it, okay? That's the beauty in this crochet, because it's like, yeah, you buy it, the bundles are actually on sale, not the bundles, but the bundle of crochet hair is on sale, so really, really good deal right now. And then yeah, I'm just literally gonna go ahead, I'm gonna find the knot. I need to take off these little nails because these are not like, I mean, these are the Kiss press-ons, but you know, they have like different versions of them. And this one is a little bit more flimsy. But look at that. Y'all, I didn't have to go through, cut, figure out where my hair is. Didn't have to like rake through it, save these little pieces. It still looks beautiful. We don't have any tangling, no shedding. So I'm gonna bundle these together and I'm literally gonna wash and condition them. I'm probably gonna do that in a short. I don't know, I'm gonna record it. I may add it to this video at the very end or create a separate video for it showing you how to wash it and kind of get it back to, you know, a reusable state. So I know sometimes that can be unrealistic for a lot of the styles that I do, but in this case, y'all, 10 out of 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and just play me a little audio book and get to moving with taking these babies out. But yeah, very quickly, I'm just popping these out and you can see what the boxes are looking like for me. Obviously, I'm going to show you like more in detail once I take them all out. So it's currently 11:04. We're going to go ahead and just see how much time it takes for me to get these babies out. This one is looking a little, I might need a little mirror over here by me because these nails are so, they're like the, you know, the ones that just already have the sticks up underneath them, so they don't feel as sturdy. Like they feel like they can kind of bend a little bit. So I'm not really having that grip that I need to be able to slide my finger up under here. The hardest part is really finding the loop. It really and truly is. So yeah, I'm about to catch up on my Queen Cup and yeah, let's vibe out, okay? Y'all are not gonna believe this. It is literally 11:20. Mind y'all, we started at 11:04. 11:20. 16 minutes later, we are on our last 2 crochet braids. Y'all, I can't make this up. Like real time, real time. I'm only 21 minutes into the video from where I started after I left Pilates. This is like, oh yeah, my kind of style, okay? And you can move right along to the next. Now, I imagine it would take probably another 20 minutes to remove all these individual braids, but I'm not gonna lie to you. I do have to do And I mean have to, okay? I'm behind. So I have a couple of like wig videos I'm gonna get into. I'm gonna film 2 today. And then take all of this out, wash my hair, do a full deep condition, hydration routine, all of that. I actually have a video showing you how to completely deep condition and get your hair back into its nice and healthy state. So definitely make sure to check that out. Y'all, it's a 10 out of 10. Oh wait, did I miss one? Oh, hold on now. I got 1 more left. I thought I guess I had 3 left. But yes, literally 20 minutes to take this out. Y'all, I cannot, like, what? Okay, start to finish, 2 hours to put it in, 20 minutes to take it out. I mean, what more can you ask for, honestly? So all that I'm gonna do, because I do need to kind of like make sure these braids are doing what they need to do. I'm gonna redo this middle braid just for the sake of the video I have to do, but that's it. That's all. I'm definitely gonna wash the bundle. So I laid them down in a way that's like, okay, I'll be able to like just gather them all from the tips and the loops are not compromised. The loops are still there. They are very much so reusable. I don't know if y'all can tell, but yeah, it looks good. And obviously the hair just smells like hair. It doesn't stink or anything. I haven't been like around a lot of smoke and like, you know, the cigar smoke and all the hookah and all the things that the girls get into. So yes, it looks really good. And all that I'm going to do, I'm so happy I didn't put all that product on it. Literally going to do a deep condition, let this sit in some shampoo, and then of course let it air dry. I said that out of order, but you know what I mean. Let it air dry, and when it's ready to style, y'all, we got a guaranteed style. I am in love. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. I'm about to get into the next video. So I'll see y'all in the next one. I love y'all so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you next time. Bye, babies.